was filled, it had Stephen Parcells' name on it. We checked and found it had been filled under Dr. Fran Mason's Drug Enforcement Administration number. Dr. Mason, I'm John Ferrugia. As you know, we've been trying to reach you. After repeated requests for an interview, Dr. Fran Mason first agreed to talk and then canceled. So we went to see her. Do you allow the Parcells to write prescriptions under your name?
No, sir.
Well, what about this?
I have a meeting.
You see this? That says Dr. Stephen Parcell, and that's under your DEA number. You're not responsible for them?
Dr. Parcells.
If your name is on that prescription and you're not a doctor, wouldn't it prove that you were practicing medicine without a license?
It would be very strong proof that you're holding yourself out and trying to practice medicine without a license, and that's not permitted under Colorado law.
I never delegate prescriptive drug authority. I'm the only doctor who can prescribe drugs in my practice.
Well, then why is Stephen Parcell's name on this under your...
I have no knowledge of that. I have absolutely no knowledge of that. I honestly don't.
Why would you send pre-signed prescription pads to this office when you're not here?
I have no idea. We
returned to the medical board to show Marshall Smith the prescription we obtained under the name of Stephen Parcell.
There's a licensing issue. Is that licensed physician acting appropriately and within their authority? And then secondly, there's a potential unlicensed activity by this Dr. Parcell. So these issues and these concerns you're raising are things that the board would be interested in looking at.
Stephen Parcell refused our request for an interview, but based on the information in our report, the state medical board has now initiated a complaint against Stephen and Kelly Parcells to determine whether they're practicing medicine without a license. And sources tell us formal complaints have now been filed with the board against Dr. Fran Mason. So, Ann, we'll, of course, let you know what the board finds.
All right, looking forward to that. Thank you, John. And if you have a story idea for the Call 7 investigators, call 303-832-7777, or you can send an email to call7@thedenverchannel.com.